Hey guys, so we're opening up this one today. This is the Teddy Lulu, and I've wanted a Lulu for so long, so I'm super excited for this, and it's from Toy Zero. Alright, so first things first, they have a little sticker on the side, so I can't really show you the secret. The secret is basically, there's like a white one that's extra cute with like a scarf or something, and then they also have a spotted one with the bow in the front. So, but knowing my luck, I'm not going to get a secret. I've never gotten a secret before. So, let's focus on what is most likely, which are one of these ones. So you have a 1 in 6 chance of getting these guys. And which one do I want? I really like this one. I like this one. I don't mind the tender Teddy either. Serene and perfect, I'm like, mid, whatever, like, it's fine. And then this one, I don't want the yellow one. First of all, because one of my friends already has a yellow one, and I think it would be cute if we had, like, different ones. But then also the second reason is because it's likely to get really, really dirty. It's, like, yellow. The same reason why I don't really like this one, and to an extent this one as well. But I really want the witty Teddy or the courageous Teddy. So witty Teddy or courageous Teddy or tender Teddy, okay? Witty, courageous, or tender. Let's go. They have a holographic sticker. I do want to show you guys this. There's a little holographic sticker that comes with this one. And on the back, I know that some versions say 8+, some versions say 15+. So just keep in mind all of that. All right, let's... Oh, I ripped it off. Oh my goodness. Okay. No, for real. Oh, it's like in a, I don't know what they're called, like a capsule? Okay, I'm so excited. Yeah, we got the tender Teddy. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Not as long as it's not the, what was the one that I didn't want? The perfect or happiness. That sounded bad. Like of course, I want happiness. I don't want the happiness one. Okay, so Lulu's come with this like little care card sort of thing. I don't know what the LLW bear sheep. I have no idea what this says. I don't read Chinese. So not sure, but it's good that we have a little thing here. We can see what's here. That's cute. Oh, they have a little mini game. Oh, that's so cute. I'm like addicted to like mobile phone games. I really shouldn't be. Like, I don't spend real money on them or anything, but like I'm kind of obsessed. So cute. Tender Teddy. All right. Oh my god. Oh, she's soft. Oh my god, she's really soft. Wow. Well, she's like really soft. Holy crap. It's like, it's matte, but it's not super soft feeling. It's like more like a painted feeling on them. Oh my goodness. Nose is kind of yellow. It's kind of cute. It's under this lighting is really yellow, but here it's like peach. It's like a peachy sort of color. So funny. Okay. And then the strap. The strap is really nice. Oh my god, she's so cute. Okay, let's look at the tags now. Tags are in Chinese. Can't read that. Alright. Polyester. So cute. Lulu the piggy. That. So cute. I don't know, I've seen a lot of like fakes pop up for Lulu recently, so I'm kind of like, I'm always like kind of scared. Of course, when you buy online too, it's like you never really know. But this one, it looks pretty genuine to me. Yeah, I feel like it is. She's well stuffed. She's really, it's like good quality. Everything's, the seaming's good. Oh, her little tail is super cute. This looks really good. Everything's color coordinated right. And then we have like the little care card, of course, which is really cool, the little booklet that they all come with. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with this. I definitely will want more Lulus. I know there's another one where they have scarves, maybe good for the winter. But I like how muted this color is, because this color, I don't know if it's showing on screen, it's actually quite pink. Like, it's like a dusty rose. That's what it is. A really dusty rose. It's super cute. And this is good for both like winter and spring, summer, and fall. And I'm from Canada, so like our winter is like, you know, 6 months long. So something that's a little bit more muted, more dark, usually goes along with a lot more clothes and bags as well for most of the year. All right, I love her. Oh my god. Let me know if you guys have any Lulus. I'm always on the hunt, so show me, tell me all about them. Which one's your favorite, and etc. And if you guys had this blind box, which one did you get, or which one do you want? All right? Okay, see you guys later. Bye.